So for the next presentation, please welcome Ammar Bacha, the Senior Partner Development Manager at Microsoft. Now, he's on a mission to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Let's hear more from Ammar. Welcome, Ammar. So glad to have you here.
So first of all, hello and welcome. Really, thanks for everyone for joining us today. My name is Ammar Bacha. I'm part of Indirect and Cloud Channel Development team at Microsoft Canada. Just a bit of background, quick background about me. I'm been with Microsoft for the last 7 years, and I had really the great opportunity to work with hundreds of Microsoft partners during my career. I just want to start with the why we are here and what is exactly for our partners in this discussion. I get frequently asked by our new potential IT company they want to partner with Microsoft and how really they can partner with Microsoft today. And we can talk a few minutes about how you can start your journey with Microsoft if you like. Many of you maybe remember Microsoft from the old days as an Office and Windows licensing giant. I mean, we used to sell lots of that, and that was our main focus maybe in the 80s and 90s. But really, since 2000 and mid of the last decades, we've seen this huge transition into the cloud economy. And that is really evident now. It's become even more mature with the lots of services that we see it every day today. From Microsoft point of view, we really have a fast developments in the cloud since the last 15 years. I'm not sure if everybody really aware about this one, but really Microsoft become leader in the cloud services, mainly on the business and apps and infra and data and AI, and as well as business applications. I know those are the solution area that many of you may be not aware, but take, for example, apps and infra. It's the famous Azure, for example, the platform of IaaS infrastructure as a service, one of the leaders right now in the world. Of course, we have business application, Dynamics 365. Think about the CRM and ERP on the cloud side. So we have really, really exciting cloud services. I mean, the one I'm sure the most familiar for you is Microsoft 365, what we call it the modern workplace, where we can have the secure and really productive environment for a user and customers, and make sure that they are all in safe environment and secure from the all this kind of situation that we see these days. That hopefully will help customers and employees to have the business continuity from their home. We know that most of us really working from home right now, and it's not easy to have a platform which is not secure and not productive as much as we thought. That's why Microsoft 365 really filled this gap with lots of great kind of facilities and tools inside it. We know that also that clouds and the new norm, how it's happening. I put a few examples from you. I mean, I'm sure you are familiar with this one because this is really consumerism, and you know it very well from day-to-day work. But this is how really our customers are expecting us to deliver services now. They want us to deliver it as a subscription. They really think that the operational cost versus capitalized cost is really where to go, and really help them to jump into this kind of technology and make sure they are really benefiting most of this one. Think about the Uber and the Netflix as an example. Those are really startups. They started like maybe 15 years as a startups. Now they are really disturbing lots of industries, from transportation to hospitality and Airbnb, and of course on the entertainment such as Netflix. So we know very much this is the customer request. This want to know more and more kind of in the cloud services, because they know that they can consume it anywhere. They can have it in a monthly basis rather than having it in long kind of commitment. So that's kind of flexibility and scalability that our customer are looking for. Next, and as a response, we came from a program called CSP, or Cloud Solution Provider. I'm sure that some of you have heard about it, but this is really our way to enable our partners to bundle their own services with our services. Think about it in this way. We provide the solution area we talked about it, Azure, Modern Workplace, M365, Dynamics. The way that our partners can really monetize it is by building on top of that their own services and sell it as a bundles. And this is where it comes completely different from the old days. Old days, it was only selling licenses, and you put on top of percentage margin and you sell it to your customers. Now it's only about having your services on top. You be the front of your customers, and our services are helping you from the background. So it's completely opposite side what we doing before. Now we put the partners in front of the customer, and we just supply you with the platform for you to grow and success with this kind of business. Now, to do that, we really rely on our leading indirect providers, the like of Ingram Micro. Ingram Micro, for example, and thank you very much, Ingram team, who are hosting our booth this year, help lots of our partners, our CSP partners, on the first step. You know, they can onboard you, they can go with you in the first step, and really can tell you what is for you and how you can really develop your marketing capabilities, customer reach, even helping you also to learn about technology and how we can enable your technical team as well. So think about it in this way. Microsoft provides the services to the indirect provider, then Ingram provided to CSP, partner, and partner to the customer. It's very straightforward. This is the channel model that we work with Microsoft partners worldwide. It's not only here in Canada only. That's take me as a good segue to what is Ingram is providing right now. I mean, Ingram, they have really signature kind of marketing programs that takes the partner journey from A to Z. They start with the onboarding sessions, so they can help you to onboard and maybe help you to understand how you can create your MPN ID, or what you call Microsoft Partner Network ID. And of course, take you all the way through the journey, creating your CSP tenant, telling you how you can bundle your services. And even I heard that there are a few joint plans with partners like you on how you can create your offers. So here, you can think about Ingram as not only a distributor, they are really a value-added distributor. They can help you to enable unleash your services and build it to your customers. So as an example, I know that there is the Accelerate programs, channel and marketing. It can help you, for example, to create your own trademark and send emails, with your branded, logos to your customer with the content that can be created with help of Ingram Micro. Ingram Micro, of course, been one of most, let's say, valuable part to Microsoft here, and we really recognize their impacts in a great way. Last year, for example, Ingram won the Partner of the Year award from Microsoft, and this strategic award is very important because it's never given before to indirect providers and that level of scale. Actually, they were run for the Partner of the Year, which is again the first partner or direct provider we've been nominated for this one, and also they got won the Marketing of the Year indirect providers as well in Canada here. So definitely great job. Thank you, Ingram team, for all the goodness that we provided to our partners. Last but not least, I want really to invite you to our booth. We have lots, as you see, it's a virtual kind of experiment. So thank you very much for your patience during this difficult times and the pandemic. But however, I think the organizers in this forum, they have really great job. We can see that you can click in any of this screen hot areas, and it can take you really to the information that you look for. So, for example, on Microsoft logo, it should take you to Microsoft website. If you click on Ingram programs, that takes you also to Accelerate series, and it can really talk about it in more details. But again, really thank you very much for your time and listening. Looking to welcome for you and have all your questions answered today, because our ultimate to know you, to shake hands virtually with you, and of course answer any question you might have. Thank you very much, and have a great day.
Thank you so much, Ammar. Like you said, Ingram Micro is hosting the 3D interactive booth for Microsoft this year. So please visit their booth. If you have any questions for Ammar, drop it in the chat box and he will address it for you.